Okay, so now we're going to set up the connector for GitLab. So here we're just selecting it, and then we are going to move on to the page where we're going to input all the credentials for the connector. So we have a setup guide that you can follow, but of course you can follow along with this video as well. So just make sure you're logged into the GitLab account with relevant credentials. And when you click on that link that we have provided in the setup guide, it automatically fills in those fields for you, title and permissions that you need, right, for the token. And then you can just copy the token and then paste it into Solidify. And then from here, if you go back to GitLab, if you want to get the groups there, you can go directly into groups, and then in the group that you want to monitor data for, this is where you can access the name of the group directly from the URL. You can just copy that, and then from there, if you test the connection, it should be successful. You can also input the URL for GitLab there, and then from there you can save the connector, and that is basically all you need to set up a GitLab connector. Okay, so if necessary, you can come in and edit the connector. Yeah, that's about it.